Hey everyone, wow, it's been a while, sorry about that. A load of stuff has happened since I last saw you. By the way, we did have a competition in the previous video. I challenged you to draw your very own Fall Guys skins, and wow. You guys in the Discord really knocked it out of the park. I didn't think for a moment I'd get so many entries, and here I am swimming in them. I'll be showing you guys at the end of this video. So, onto what we're here for right now. That's right, we're going to draw us some crewmates from Among Us. I've been playing the heck out of this game because it's super fun and it's a great way to find out what your friends sound like when they're lying. Don't skip around this video, this one is super quick and easy, but if you do skip you're going to miss some really important tips for sure. Hit the like button and the subscribe button, as doing both really helps my channel out a whole lot, and leave a comment below letting me know what you would like me to draw in my next tutorial. Let's go! Alright, this one is pretty easy. If you're very new to drawing, I imagine this will probably only take you a couple tries because it honestly is pretty straightforward. Start with a line for the hips. Leave lots of room at the top of your page here because you're going to be drawing basically upwards. If you can see the preview underneath that I've lowered the opacity on. Just draw a line across for the hips, and that's all you have to worry about for now, down there. And then we're basically going to draw what looks like half a pill. Like a big, I guess like a capital D that's been turned on its side and stretched out a bit. I don't know how else to describe this, but you basically want to do this shape like this. And that's the bulk of the character's body pretty much done. Everything else is just adding on to this. So what I like to do from here, this kind of corner here, is continue this line out for the backpack. We bring this up really high along the body, and you want to bring it back in at about this point here, before it starts to kind of curve up for the top of the head. Just going to thicken that out so it looks kind of nice. And now, don't draw this, but just picture a dotted line coming from the end of this backpack across here. Just picture that. That is the middle of the visor, the bit that the character actually looks out of. So try and picture that as you draw this shape here. This shape's kind of like an egg. It comes out past the original line that we drew. Actually sticks out a bit. Keep that in mind because it's a very key part of the style here. Alright, and if you want to add a bit of shadow or shine, you can at this point. You might want to leave it for when you're colouring, just a little circle there, and you can draw a curve along the bottom side of the visor there for where the shadow is going to go. But honestly, yeah, you can leave that for when you're actually colouring in. So you might have noticed we have a bit of overlap here. If it's bugging you, you can erase this at this point. I usually like to leave erasing for when I actually go over things with a pen, because then I just don't go over the lines I don't want to keep, but that's up to you, you can do whatever you like. So now for the legs, you can actually again carry on from where we intersected here. You just draw a little lump like this, very basic leg, really basic. And then another one over here, and this one is actually shorter than the leg on the left, and that's because of the perspective. I guess that's what the original artist had in mind, because this leg appears longer because it's nearer the person who's looking at it, if that makes sense. So now all we have to do is again just kind of erase these lines we're not keeping. Only erase a part of this one because you want to actually leave a little bit here to show the bottom of the torso. You might even want to curve that up a little bit just so it has more kind of curvature for it. And there we go. That's it, guys. How simple was that? Fairly straightforward. We actually did that in less than 3 minutes. So I'm going to get this all kind of inked and coloured in and make it look interesting. And we'll move on to the competition that we started last video. So I'll see you guys in just a second. I told you it would be easy. It's certainly easier than some of the other things that we've had to draw, that's for sure. So now you have the power to draw your own crewmates or imposters in any style you want. You can draw a mini crewmate sat on their head or, well, anything. Honestly, it's your drawing, so go nuts. Now, onto the Fall Guys skin competition. I'm just going to toss up a whole lot here that I really liked in a cute little montage. This one by Arslan combines some great colours that clash in a really interesting way. Is that a beret? I really dig that. Himanshu did us this sketch, and it's great that they chose their own direction for the arm, and the bandana really looks like this Fall Guy's about to kick some ass. Salty Scythe gave us a spy, a robot, an android, and a straw hat, and I just had to show off all of these because they are just great designs, great work. Bathroom whipped up a near cat style sketch. Yeah, cats are indeed underrated. Those claws are looking sharp, as is this drawing. Another sweet cat reaching for the skies, or maybe just something to pull off a table. Who knows? Thanks, Cloud Arts. If I didn't mention your art, don't be discouraged. I could only dedicate so much time to entries, but I loved and appreciated each and every single one sent my way. With that said, I've got another challenge for you. Let's do the same thing. Let's do this. Send in your own Among Us skin this time, or pet designs, in the Discord channel. If you're not already in there, by the way, just hit the link below in the description, and if you've got a Discord account, you're in. Simple as that. I'll be showing my favorite designs in the next video. Just use your imagination and draw anything you like. Just go wild. With that, guys, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Subscribe if you didn't already, as each individual subscription is not only totally free for you, but a massive boost for this channel. I really do appreciate them. Bye for now.